Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method, and the given equation is 1 upon a plus b plus x is equal to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon x, where a plus b is not equal to 0. Guys, this is what is being given in the equation. And remember guys, this is one of the important questions, as this particular question came in one of the CBSE board examination in the year 2005. So let us see how we are going to solve this type of quadratic equation. It is given that 1 upon a plus b plus x is equal to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon x, where a plus b is not equal to 0. This is what being given. Now let us see how we are solving this. Let us bring this 1 upon x to the left side of the equation as our first step. Why I am moving 1 upon x to the left side? Because I want to keep all my x at a particular place. So I can rewrite the above equation now as 1 upon a plus b plus x minus 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b. So this 1 upon x, it became negative when it moved to the left side. Or I can write the above equation as x minus a plus b plus x upon a plus b plus x into x. I took a plus b plus x into x as the LCM, and I try to summarize. I try to factorize this equation. Or similarly, I can take a b as the LCM, and I can also solve the right side of the equation. So I can write the right side of the equation as b plus a upon ab. I took ab as the LCM. Or I can write the above equation as x minus, let me open this bracket, minus x minus a minus b, x minus a minus b minus x upon a plus b plus x into x is equal to, let me rearrange the equation. Instead of b plus a, just I am writing a plus b upon a b. This is what I got as the right side of the equation. Now let us further solve this. So after further solving this, let's see what we are getting in the next step. Or I can write, or that is equal to, I can cancel out plus x and minus x in the numerator. So I am left with minus a minus b upon a plus b plus x into x is equal to a plus b upon ab. Or I can write minus a minus b as minus 1 into a plus b. If I rewrite the equation minus a minus b, instead of minus a minus b, I can write minus 1 into a plus b, just moving minus to the right side because it is a common, in upon a plus b plus x into x is equal to a plus b plus x, a plus b upon a plus b. Guys, just I'm solving this one. You can also do this. It is very easy. Or I can now do a cross multiplication, and I can rewrite the equation as minus 1 into a plus b into ab. So moving ab from right side to the left side now is equal to a plus b into a plus b plus x into x. Similarly, moving a plus b plus x into x from the denominator to the right. Or I can rewrite the equation as minus 1 into a plus b into ab upon a plus b. Just moving a plus b from the right side to the left side is equal to a plus b plus x into x. Hope guys, till here we are very clear. This is very easy. Just I'm solving the equation step by step. We need to be very careful and we need to be very mindful so that we will not end up in doing any silly mistakes. Or I can write this one as this a plus b in the numerator as well in the denominator, it cancels out. I'm left with minus 1 into ab, minus 1 into ab is upon, or instead directly I can write, I'm left with minus AB, because minus 1 into AB is minus AB, is equal to AX, multiplying X with what we have, AX plus BX plus X to the power 2. Or I can rearrange the equation in this way. I can also write AX plus BX plus X square is equal to minus AB. Just I have reversed it, where nothing will go wrong. Or I can write the above equation as AX plus BX plus X to the power 2 plus AB is equal to 0. Just moving minus AB from right side to the left side. So we got the resulting equation as AX plus BX plus X to the power 2 plus AB is equal to 0. Now let us rearrange this equation. So I can write the equation as X to the power 2 plus AX plus BX plus AB is equal to 0. So just I am trying to rearrange the equation, and I got what I got, X to the power 2 plus AX plus BX plus AB is equal to 0. So guys, now what we can do, you could see that we have a common here, X, and we can take a common from here also. So I can write the above equation as taking X as a common, I'm left with X plus A. Similarly, let me first of all put X plus A is as it is equal to 0. And what we require plus BX. That means if I multiply plus B into X is plus BX, and plus B into A is nothing but AB. Or I can write the above equation as X plus B into X plus A is equal to 0. Hope guys, till here we are very clear. I'm just moving step by step. Or I can now segregate this equation into two parts. One is X plus B is equal to 0, and the other one is X plus A is equal to 0. So from here you could see that we are able to segregate this equation into two parts, so that we are going to find the two values of X. Or now I can write X is equal to minus B and X is equal to minus A. So this is what we are looking for. So this is what we are looking for, and this is what we got. The two parts of X is, one is X is equal to minus B, and the other one is X is equal to minus A. Hope guys you understood the calculation or the process that I did. This is very simple and very straightforward, but we need to be very careful while doing all these things. But guys, if you still have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.